welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Apple MacBook Pro 2022. Apple has plans for the MacBook Pro 2022 and so far all the indicators point out being a new entry-level MacBook Pro packing at the next time being thing in the Apple Silicon. The potentially huge because last year Apple shook up the laptop market in a big way with the release of the current entry-level MacBook Pro and one. The 13-inch Pro delivered pretty decent improvements in performance and efficiency compared to its predecessors, in large part thanks to the power of the M1 chip. In this video, we are going to discuss these detailed feature packs, price and release date. So watch this video till the end. It was so good that it captured 13 inches Pro to a top spot on our list of the best laptops you can buy. Apple has since released the redesigned 14 inches MacBook Pro and 16-inch MacBook Pro with your choice of M1 Pro or M1 Max chip, but those systems start on $1,999 and $2,499 respectively. Apple has a big plan expected to debut in 2022, one that may well replace the $1,299 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro with the entry-level model if it is incorporate the smart design changes we saw in the 2021 Pro. The rumored MacBook Pro 2022 could be one of Apple's biggest release date of the year. According to our reliable tech hipster, the MacBook Pro 2022 is expected to arrive in the second half of 2022, likely around the fall time where it will be joined by the MacBook Air 2022. Given the latter laptop has been tipped for a reveal in the spring, it's tricky to access the veracity of the new information. However, another source new claim that the new MacBook Pro will arrive in March. This does not fit with the original claim, but given we are expecting on new Mac this spring, according to Mark Gurman, perhaps this will be the Pro rather than the Air. The new MacBook Pro 2022 in terms of design change, the internal design of this machine has been the most popular subject to the discussion so far, as an Explorer is rumored to include all new pieces of Apple Silicon. The Apple M2 chip. Apple will bring the redesigned improvements of the 2021 MacBook Pro to a new model in 2022, which means a flatter lid with thinner bezels around the display, which has been tipped to measure at a very large 14-inch than entry-level MacBook Pro 13-inch tunnel. However, Bloomberg Mark Gurman claimed that the machine will not come with a mini LED screen. So guys, these are some news, features and exciting facts about the Apple MacBook Pro. I hope that you will like this video. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out.